Hey people, this video has a mind of its own.
Okay. Let's start recording.
Hey guys, this rain will never stop raining.
Never.
Once it stops, it goes back to raining.
Yep. And it's freezing
And even
cold.
ask him.
It's freezing cold, like.
And his brother's asleep right now.
Yeah.
It's nasty out here.
It smells nasty.
It does too, it feels like burnt rubber. Ugh.
It smells gross. If
So
you could hear
guys, whenever his brother wakes up,
it- Yeah.
we'll go inside where it's nice and dry.
Yeah.
Goldfish crackers, nacho flavor.
These stains are.
Epic!
These stains are epic. Like this right here.
The bigger than the regular goldfish. And they taste really good. You can even
Go to
hear
the
the
store
crunch.
and buy these stains. You be popping.
And you can even hear the crunch.
Just to let you guys know, we love you, all you fans.
Yeah. Subscribe to this video. How many subscribers do you want?
Let's go for 200.
200 million?
No. Is it
200.
record? Is it record now?
Yeah.
Guys, let's hit 100. No, let's hit 1,500 likes on this video. If you can do that, we will smash the like button, and we might make a part 5 of this video.
This is part 3 right now.
Yeah.
So
we
we
made
would have.
part 1. Go check that out. We made part 2. Check that out. And we're making this video, so you better
Yeah.
check this video. If you don't know how to get to here, we're probably going to have to put it public. But right now, you're just going to have to deal with it. And then when the time comes, we can put it on public and not
Yeah.
private.
And I gotta take it up private. I gotta just have to figure out to take it off so it would show when you guys search up the video.
Yeah.
His channel, it'll
'Cause-
pop up.
How you spell it? A-I-D-A-N. No, that's Aiden. And then Diamond. D-I-N. No. D-I-A-M-O-N-D. So Aiden Diamond. Just search that up. You'll be watching for videos.
Yeah. What?
And we're just saying this is our 3rd video. We're really excited for this because we never even made a channel. He probably made, the cameraman probably made a channel before, but
Yes.
he had an old one. But this, I had never a channel. My mom had a channel, my brother had a channel, stuff like that. So if you guys want to check us out,
I made 7 videos, by the way.
and we might be catching up to his hit channel. So yeah, and see if we get more subscribers for him.
How much subscribers does your brother have?
And yeah, and peace out.
Peace out.